So I just saw this really cool video off the internet, and that's how to make your S197 Mustang sound cammed. I wanted to try it on mine. Let's see if it works. Pretty sure you have to have your air conditioner off. You have to also let it warm up. Let it warm up for a little bit. Alright, so it finally got warmed up enough, I think. This is what it sounds like now. What you're supposed to do is this hose right here. Supposed to just take it off right beside the brake fluid. Definitely a difference. Now obviously you wouldn't drive around like that, but it's just really neat to like do it in a parking lot or something. But yeah, definitely it did sound cammed. Probably not the best thing for your engine, but yeah.